Hello you, how are you? Hope you're good. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking that button to view this video. I appreciate it. Today we're going to do a hairstyle that's like a throwback and it's called two-step. It was a hairstyle I did while I was a kid. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I part my hair. You already know I use two mirrors and I use my fingers to guide me to part on my line. I'm always the first person to tell you that your lines don't have to be too straight, but I'm also the same person who parts a line so many times just because I want straight lines, you know? But practice makes progress. Per usual, the first thing I do is always hydrate my hair with water to make it damp, and then I moisturize. I use styling cream first and then I seal it in with some moisturizer just to keep all of that in. I use my detangling brush to detangle properly because I'm going to be doing a flat twist. Now, when you're doing flat tips, my first and main tip is to make sure your hair is well detangled so you don't have any knots while you're flat twisting your hair. This has helped me a great deal. I know I just started, but this hairstyle brings me so many memories. Now, while I'm doing the hairstyle, I'm always going to have my trusty mirror by my side every step of the way. Every time I part a line, I'm looking at it. Every time I part a line, I'm making sure my lines are not crooked. I'm making sure everything looks great. Again, I do not have eyes at the back of my head. I do not. But making sure that I rule my lines and have my mirrors always help me a great deal. And I'm feeling this hairstyle already. It was a good idea for me to do it for sure. Now at this part, I'm done with the whole first bottom layer of this hairstyle and I love it so far. Now let's move on to the front of the hair. At this point, whenever I do anything close to my edges, I always make sure I'm very gentle. It's not too tight because we don't want to lose those edges, okay? Oh, another tip I wanted to add is just as I'm done at the end of the flat twist, before I twist the ends, I always make sure I use a white tooth comb to just go through it once or twice to just make sure I don't have any knots, and then I continue doing my twist. At the end of it, I twist all the way to the very end and I roll my ends. Oh, and I just wanted to add, if you have any questions whatsoever about flat twist or how to do hair, just drop it in the comments and I'll definitely respond. You know you want to, don't be shy. As I go along flat twisting my hair, I still spray water to make it damp because my hair is just easier to manage when damp. And as I'm going along, my hair is getting dry, so I have to make sure I always make sure it's damp. I just wanted to mention, I know there's some people who say, oh, doing the hair takes a lot of time. It does take a bit of time, but I for one make it fun. I listen to music, I watch a movie, I listen to podcasts, I take breaks, I eat snacks. It's a whole production, okay? But what I would say is, and I can't repeat this enough, practice makes progress. The more you do your hair, the easier it becomes. Trust me. I absolutely enjoy doing my hair. However, there's still one aspect that I'm not really a fan of, and it's parting my hair. I think it's because I'm also a perfectionist, so I'm always trying to make sure the lines are perfect, right? However, I just feel like it takes a toll on my arms. It is an arm workout, so always trying to make sure that the lines are straight. It takes me quite a minute to just make sure I do one perfect line, and I would look at that mirror 100 times if I have to, just to make sure my lines are straight. I will tell you this though, if you decide you want to do your hair, patience is key. And if you decide you don't want to do your hair, then you can use this as inspo and find somebody else who can do your hair for you. You can tell I'm definitely feeling myself with this hairstyle as I'm going along. I absolutely love it so much. I knew I wanted to do like a side part situation, but I honestly didn't know what kind of parting it was. So honestly, I did just go with the flow. And as I was just parting the hair, that was when I really decided what kind of parting I wanted to do. As the spirit leads. After doing my hair for years, one thing I found is that my scalp is quite sensitive, and when I do cornrows, it just hurts. No matter how soft I do it, my scalp always hurts, and I end up taking the hairstyle down. But I found that doing flat twists is just softer on my scalp, and it makes everything easier, and it just works. I'm just one of those people who would pick comfort first over suffering for beauty. So comfort first, beauty second. For me, beauty is never pain. If you're watching this video and you don't know how to part your hair properly, you don't know how to flat twist or even cornrow or even know anything about doing hair, I don't want you to be discouraged, but I want you to look at this video as inspiration, because I didn't know how to do all these things as well. I learned from practicing and watching videos and learning how to do it. You can do it too. It's taken me years to get to this point, and it can happen for you too. So trust the process. At this point, I was like, oh my God, why did I put myself into this? Because I was so tired. My neck hurt, my arm hurt. Whenever I do my hair, I always get to a certain point where I contemplate my decision and I'm like, who sent me? But in that same vein, I take deep breaths and I'm like, yes, let's do this. I gotta keep going because who else is gonna finish what I started? I'm always team big, simple hairstyles that wouldn't take too long, but once in a while I like to do small hairstyles that would take quite a bit of a minute, but not too long as well. I would usually do hairstyles like this on days when I know I'm home all day. I'm also just trying to show you how I do the back. I digressed, but just doing this hairstyle reminds me so much of my childhood in Nigeria. It's one of the hairstyles that have been done in different ways you can even think of. There's really no better feeling than the feeling of doing your hairstyle yourself. I don't know how to explain it. And I'm always a sucker for simple hairstyles. Like, I would always like simple hairstyles because I found that simple hairstyles are quite versatile as well. And I can wear them anywhere and everywhere. I can dress them down, dress it up. I can go out on a night out with hairstyles like this. We gotta do the happy dance. Almost at the finish line. I can literally smell the finish line. Oh my goodness. Whenever I'm almost done with a hairstyle, I'm just like, yes, let's fast forward. We're almost done. You can also zhuzh them up a bit by adding like ponytails. Like this hairstyle, for example, I plan to add like a twisted ponytail to it if I decide I'm going out with it and all of that. And then if this hairstyle is getting a bit old, I can also put a headband wig over it and rock it. Like, it's quite versatile. I just love a good juicy 2-strand twist or flat twist. It's one of my favorite hairstyles ever. And just like that, we're done. New hairstyle unlocked. This hairstyle definitely reminds me of my childhood a lot. The fact that they call it 2-step just reminds me of my primary school. But of course it'll be like cornrows and stuff, but I actually like it. And for me, it's a hairstyle that's quite versatile because I could dress it up, I can dress it down, go on a night out, go out during the day. I can also just like create like a low bun stuff situation like that. I'm gonna add beads to the ends. I'll post it when I do. The possibilities are endless for me. I can also like add a twisted ponytail too. Ooh, I think I'll do that. I think I'll do a tutorial about adding, like, zhuzhing it up a bit. I have so many ideas for this hairstyle already, and I'm definitely gonna share them with you. If you've gotten to this part of the video, you're a real MVP, you're a trooper, and I appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching my video from the beginning to the end. I know I say this all the time, but the fact that you watch my video means that all my hard work is not in vain, and I'm grateful. So yeah, Thank you so much. Please press the like button to like it. Please share my video with everyone you know. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and tell people to subscribe as well so you can see more videos like this. And of course, don't forget to press that bell so you get a notification for every time I post videos like this. Thank you so much. Enjoy.